Hey guys, we've got a spectacular property in Dundas. It is backing onto an escarpment with amazing views. It's a mid-century modern that's been renovated from top to bottom. And there's a primary addition that is just super private and offers incredible views of the escarpment. Let's go inside, check it out.
Just a thing of beauty. Let's get lost in this wonderland. See it all, we don't need a plan.